top-load washers. Spacious capacity washes everything from large loads to bulky comforters. The soft close lid won't slam shut, thanks to hinges that allow the lid to close gently. And the durable tempered glass makes it easy to see the washer in action. When you don't have time to wait, the Express cycle cleans small or lightly soiled loads in as little as 30 minutes. Or for full-size loads, the Accela Wash feature cleans up to 51% faster. Cold clean cycle, gently and completely, while using up to 90% less energy. Our Triple Action washers get loads clean in 3 ways. 1. The spray action attacks dirt in a concentrated detergent mix. 2. The wash basket moves back and forth. 3. The agitator or impeller moves flows in a circular pattern for optimal cleaning performance. Live more with Kenmore.